Hey, what is going on, you guys? I'm Mad, and in this video we are going to be unboxing the Skullcandy Dime Evo. We're going to be unboxing it and doing a quick overview / review on it. Now, the damage on these guys is $50 US, so $49.99 on Amazon. I'm going to open them up, and I also wanted to compare them to the Dime 3, which I really like these guys also. For 30 bucks, these are a killer pair of wireless earbuds. For $20 more, let's see how these stack up. So obviously these are their own little case design, and these are a stick type. The main differences you're going to find is these are rated for about 20 hours in battery life, whereas these are rated for about 36 hours, so larger battery. And also these are pretty much standalone Bluetooth earbuds. Skullcandy has an app, but it doesn't have functionality with these, whereas with this, it does. They are IPX4 sweat and water resistant, and yeah, pretty much this is the first time I've purchased any of these stick type earbuds, so I'm kind of curious to see what they're going to be like. Okay, looks like we have ear tips. Pamphlet, Dime Evo, type A to C cable, ear tips, and then the earbuds themselves. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's got kind of an opaque see-through casing. That actually looks really cool. Okay, let's move all that to the side. And yeah, I can quickly see how they got an extra 16 hours of battery life in these guys. It's, you know, quite a bit larger. I think I've also heard people refer to these as like a lipstick container type, or just a stick. There's some good names for them. You guys let me know if you have a name for it. Type-C charger at the bottom. Looks like we just pull them out just like that. Okay, so there is something stopping it at the end, so you can't pull it all the way out, even if you tried. And these are the bone orange colored. I really like the colorway on these. You can get them in a couple different colors, like black, of course, and a few others. Let's kind of take that off. Take that off. Okay, now that the sticker's gone, they're connected, and they've started charging. Damn, the design on these are actually really cool. So while these things are waking up, let's take an earbud from the Evo and take one from the Dime 3 and compare them. So they look to be pretty much exactly the same as far as I could tell. Yeah, they look pretty much identical to me, which is good because I really like how these guys fit. Alrighty, you guys, so I've been listening to these off camera for about a couple hours now, and I am 99% certain that these Dime Evo earbuds and the Dime 3 earbuds are the same earbuds. And I mean that in body and design, but also sound quality wise. Now myself personally, as far as the sound quality that come out of these earbuds is more than good enough for somebody like me who is not an audiophile and will jam out to some beats on pretty much any device. But to be clear, they do not sound bad. But yeah, the main upgrade that you're getting for the 50 bucks is this stick capsule, the container. Both of these have stay aware mode. It's just more fine tunable with the app compatibility for the Evo, but you know, neither of them have noise cancellation. They follow the same button press commands and everything. You can map them through the app with the Evo. But yeah, at the end of the day, you're really just kind of choosing your form factor on this one. One thing I do like about Skullcandies is they're plenty loud out of the box, and I myself don't mind the preset EQ. I think it sounds pretty good. Okay, let me go ahead and see if I can connect these guys up and put them in. We'll give you guys a quick sound test. Okay, Dime Evo popped up right there. You can see they're connected. Okay, let me open up the Skullcandy app. Okay, found the Dime Evo right away. Let's hit connect. So yeah, the price difference from 30 bucks to 50 bucks seems like the main things you're getting is the app functionality as well as the extra 16 hours of battery life. Okay, and it looks like there is a firmware update, and it is going to make me update it before I can access all the features, so let's go ahead and knock that out. Okay, so far so good. I probably should mention it also does state that these have rapid charge, and it can charge in 10 minutes. It'll give you 2 hours of playback time, and it does support multi-point pairing and Google Fast Pair. Okay, they are reconnected and the update is complete. So let's go over here and see what we got. Got individual battery percentages for the left and right. Okay, and then this is what the EQ looks like. So music mode, podcast, bass boost, custom. Let's just leave it on music mode. Adjustable stay aware mode. Stay tuned in to what's going on around you with adjustable external sound amplification. And the level is adjustable as well. Okay, I like that. Customize your button settings. Press 1 time, play and pause. Press 2 times. Okay, pretty standard stuff. And then it looks like by default, the 1 second hold on this is to activate the assistant. So in this case, it's Siri. If you're on Android, it would be a Google Assistant or Gemini. Okay, and these do have a low latency mode for gaming, which is really nice. That's becoming more standardized on earbuds across the board these days. Okay, it doesn't seem like too much of a change, but it's basically just a low latency mode for gaming. But very cool that it does include it. Let's turn that back off. And then we have multi-point pairing. This is a feature I like that might go under the radar for a lot of people. Basically, if you have it paired to your phone or one device and you want to use it on like your computer, or in this case I use mine on my MacBook a lot of the time, I connect it through Bluetooth on both. You can have it connected to both at once and use them. You can use one or the other as you go, basically. Okay, what is this? Take a photo. Oh, okay, it's basically turning your earbud into a remote. Okay, I never would have thought about that. I guess that could come in handy. Turn your earbud into a remote for your device's camera and capture pics or videos with a simple tap. Pro tip, those arm out selfies are so 2015. Pop your phone on a stationary object, strike the perfect pose, and trigger the camera remotely. Pro tip 2, take the earbud out of your ear. Okay, so you could use it just as a remote. That's pretty thinking outside the box. Okay, and Clear Voice Smart Mic. About Clear Voice Smart Mic. Always on technology, uses artificial intelligence to isolate the speaker's voice and reduce background sounds. It's especially effective eliminating discontinuous noise, the kind of background chatter you'd find in a crowded coffee shop or airport. Okay, nice. So this Clear Voice Smart Mic is basically saying, hey, while you're on a call, the system is going to intelligently block out background noises and partially isolate your phone call, basically. So if you're in like a crowded, noisy area, it'll make it that much easier to hear the person you're trying to talk to through the earbuds on the phone. Very nice. So yeah, overall a pretty solid app. I can definitely see how somebody might prefer this larger stick type and take the extra battery off just that alone. The difference of $20 isn't that much. These are pretty great. I can easily recommend these. Amazon link in the description down below for the Skullcandy Dime Evo, as well as the Dime 3s, if you want to pick up either one of those two. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and get subscribed already. Leave a like on the video, drop a comment with your thoughts down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.